That's because ramen is trendy ramen.
And Saimin is life, baby.
Life.
Aloha ko. What's up, everybody? I hope we're all safe and healthy during this time of our quarantine. We want to do a little quarantine cooking today, and I have the privilege and the honor of working with two super cool sisters.
I'm so excited. I opened my ingredients and I've never cooked with venison in my life, so.
I'm really excited to learn from the champ. Like, this is gonna be major.
This is the champ.
I can keep drinking, right? That's important.
Yeah, you can keep drinking. Gang, let's take a look at our ingredients and our list real quick. Our deer, got our sun noodles, got our eggs, our kamaboko, our mustard cabbage. Let's get cranking. So the first off is let's make our deer. The garlic, I want you to peel it. Wait, you didn't slice all your garlic yet? I'm done already.
Right, you gave me the garlic already peeled, so
it's already peeled.
You see this? That's two. We did two of this time. That's too much.
Go.
But I like garlic. That means we won't get coronavirus.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna mince your ginger, and what I would do is I would lengthwise, I would cut super thin slices, and then from those slices you make your matchstick julienne, and then when you do that, then you turn that whole stack perpendicular, and then you finish with them. Yeah, I mean you want it like minuscule. It's not gonna make your dish taste bad. Just won't be as good as mine. No, I'm just kidding. Put just enough oil to cover the bottom. It's not gonna be deep frying. Canola, peanut, vegetable. I'm gonna take my deer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it going. And if you add your fat and it catches on fire, your pan is too hot. Go ahead with a strainer or a big spoon. I actually turn my heat down, and then I take out all my deer and my garlic and I reserve it off to the side. If you are Asian, you probably have multiple strainers in your house.
Okay.
I'm gonna add my Sichuan peppercorn.
I'm a hot mess.
You're
hold
fine.
on.
I'm right with you.
I'm not a hot mess.
We're a hot mess.
I'm infusing right now, everybody. Infusing.
That's right.
You could infuse the Sichuan peppercorns in the beginning when you add your fat. And the only reason why we did not do that, guys, is because I forgot to.
I'm so glad to know sometimes you forget. Yeah.
Yeah, especially when we're trying to figure out how to do a fun Zoom call.
Put the deer back inside.
Yeah, put the deer and garlic back inside.
Oh, I just want to make more ginger.
And now you're going to take your sussing wine, quarter cup or however much you like.
It's not too sweet.
Go drink them, go.
Are we taking a shot?
It's like, take a shot, baby. It's like salty.
Oh, this is fermented tofu, Fuchang fermented bean curd. Okay, and then how much?
So we're going to put about 6 tablespoons.
Hold on.
I know,
this is probably the hardest part of my job.
Wait,
break it down.
I got the wrong one. Are we?
Yeah, this one.
Are we doing this one, the Kikkoman?
No.
Nope, wrong one.
No.
Okay. I'm like a Taco Bell mild kind of girl.
Oh yeah, I am not.
You know why?
Right.
When I was a kid, if I told a lie, my mom would put chili pepper on my tongue, like straight from her bush.
Yeah. You know how? Let's build our soup and keep it hot. So Sun Noodle actually makes a NO-MSG Saimin DASHI. Let's start with this.
Oh,
okay.
Put a couple spoonfuls inside your soup, and then stir it and taste it.
Oh, and then just go for taste. Oh, I like
go for taste.
Gooch.
So Sienna, remember that other one that you held up earlier, the SOBA TSUYU?
Yeah. Okay, I still got that.
I like to season my Saimin dashi with a little bit. So you put a splash.
Couple splashes. Well, my splashes are like that.
So right now my soup is kind of robust.
How you know it tastes robust?
It's like, I don't know why mine is not boiling. It tastes... Oh, it's robust.
Adam, let's do our green onions. You could stay simple. You could slice it just super thin across. You know when you go to a restaurant and you see those fancy curls? Yeah, we're gonna do that today.
Nope.
I like to take a couple pieces, stack them on each other, and then with your knife, you're gonna cut it at a super steep angle. Okay?
Is
So I
this
put it
what
in
you
my-
mean by ribbon thin?
So I took out my kamaboko. There's nothing fancy here. I'm just slicing it thin.
My
So once you
favorite.
finish your kamaboko, I'm going on to my cabbage. So I am
All right.
getting enough cabbage leaves, and I'm just gonna slice it. I'm gonna slice it across.
So that.
So the last garnish that we need is our eggs.
Was I supposed to be heating up a pan for the egg?
No, you're gonna cook the egg in the dashi. You're gonna make a fluffy egg, and I'm gonna show you my
What?
dad
Oh,
taught
that's major. Okay.
a fluffy. Sienna, never mind taking a selfie, Sienna.
I'm showing the video, the whatever.
I'm gonna describe it first, and I'm gonna do it. You're gonna I take hashi, and I use it to spin my water. I'm gonna hold my hashi up against the edge of the bowl of eggs. I'm gonna drizzle it into the moving pot of water in the opposite direction.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Look at that.
yeah,
It's
so
a
you do it in
vortex.
small batches. You don't add all your
Oh.
egg in one time, or all you're gonna do is end up with like a dashi omelet, which is not what you want.
Which I just made, a dashi omelet.
Go ahead and open up your bag of noodles. I like to fluff my noodles a little bit, so when I add it to my water, I'm not adding it in one big clump. So I'm not dropping it into my water.
Oh.
That's fluffing.
There
Right
you
there,
go.
we're fluffing. Fluffing.
Oh, I feel like this is not
Okay.
fluffing the noodles.
Oh, got it. We're
So once you
fluffing it.
fluff your
I
noodles,
don't think this is me fluffing the noodles.
once you fluff your noodles, go ahead and drop it into your boiling water.
Oh, okay, that's.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. We have like a explosion of dashi boiling.
I want you to go ahead and taste one. Pick one out and taste it. And what you're
Nice.
tasting for is, you're tasting for the doneness. That's the way.
Mmm. El dente. Okay.
Authentic.
Yep.
Do you like it? Do you like it like that? Do you like it hard, or do you?
I
you,
do.
You do. Okay, perfect. Oh, Sienna, shut up. You're
I'm just
horrible.
listening. I'm just listening.
This is like a 2-serving noodle pack. It's a lot of noodles after a while.
So at this point, gang, what I do is I put my noodles in the bottom of my bowl. I add all my garnishes, and then I finish with the dashi.
Okay, so do we ladle now?
Yep.
Yeah.
Soup it up.
We're gonna scoop it up.
I think it's almost done.
I'm spilling. Mine's spilled.
That a girl, Sienna, with the noodle
Mine's-
hanging off the bottom of the bowl.
I know that's extra. That's for later.
You guys did great.
Yeah. Oh, Sienna, that's good.
So for everybody, that's all there is to it. Like I said, ramen is trendy, Saimin is life. But gotta give a big mahalo out to Crystal, Sienna, RKT Media, everybody out there that chose to hang out with us today. Mahalo nui. It's been a ton of fun.